My goal for the culminating assignment was to use a SmartBoard to teach a writing lesson to kindergartens. To accomplish this, I had to create a lesson beforehand. I did this by going to Start, All Programs, Education Software and Resources, SmartBoard Software, Notebook Software, Notebook Software 10. After looking at the message, I tell the computer that I'd like to start a new netbook file. The message comes up again. So now I have SmartBook Notebook 10 open up on my computer. This is a writing lesson, so I select Writing and the size I'd like. And this week we're talking about first, then, next, and finally. On this particular day we had carved a pumpkin, and our journal was recap writing as what we had done earlier. First, we cut a hole. Then, we scooped the middle. Next, we drew a face. Finally, we carved our pumpkin. I'm going to space it out a little bit. Resize. And now I have my writing portion complete. One thing to do to point out the keywords is to use the highlighter by selecting the pen and then the yellow highlighter. And you color over first, then, next, and finally. So students really see the keywords stand out. As I earlier mentioned, this was for Halloween, so I wanted to add a little bit of Halloween theme to the presentation. To do so, you go to the pictures on the left-hand side, and in the search bar type Halloween. 18 pictures came up, and the two I selected were the Dracula vampire and the jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. After collecting the pointer, to add animation to the pumpkin, you click the top menu corner and go to Properties. Object Animation. Under Type, I picked Shrink and Grow. It shows you an example of what will happen. Excellent. So now I can select Dracula. Menu's already open for me. He's going to fly out. And he's going to go top left. So now my animations are set, and the lesson is pretty much ready. I'm going to remove the writing. And that unfortunately moved the highlighting, so I'll quickly move that back as well. Had I selected all of that at the same time, I could have moved it all together. So now the lesson is complete, and it's able to be used working with the kindergartens, teaching them how to write on today's Halloween theme of recap journal writing.